Yo, what's up guys, Song here. Welcome back to the vlogs. I'm gonna be doing our vlogs a little bit differently from now on. I'm gonna be commentating over some segments and clips throughout the week, is kind of jumping from place to place and not much context going through them. A lot of back and forth, little clips here and there between like things I do, places I go, friends I see. So I find that commentating over it will clear some things up about what I'm doing and where I'm at. So this week is Thanksgiving week, and today I went to the Northwestern versus OSU game, and I've never been to a football game before, so this was a pretty cool experience to, go to and live. But after the OSU game, I traveled back to Rockford to go see Panita, and we went on a little date night together. So we went to Target, got a couple Pokemon cards, opened them, and then we headed to watch the new Black Panther movie. So you guys will see a little clip on that. And yeah, here's some of the cards that we opened. You don't get a good card, it's like a Pokemon saying, haha, gotcha. You spent your money on nothing. Yeah, I hate that feeling. So right here I have Serena. Energy card. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's not gonna. Oh, there we go. This card. Rolls. Oh. I don't know what this is either. Fletching. A Dratini. Oh, oops. And whatever this is, Clink. Raichu. Oh! I hit! Okay, nice. I got a Superior V. Nice. I think you gotta come up closer. Yes.
Okay, first one.
That's a Dawn fan. That one's, I don't know what that is.
Oh.
Brixton. Lopunny. Litten. Petlil. That one looks like you. A Chinchu. Oh, I remember that card. Or that Pokemon.
This looks like you.
Oh. Dang. A Furrow Seed. Pikachu. Oh. A Pikachu.
Cute.
Oh, you hit two.
What is it?
You got a Schmeagle.
That sounds so ugly.
Hey, we got both
Wow.
green cards. Look at that.
Cute.
Whoa.
It's a shiny.
Yes. Cool.
Yours looks cooler.
Yours look cool. That's a full art.
But your HP is 220. Mine's
But this-
70.
True. Yours is cooler than mine.
No, it's not.
Yeah, yours.
This number is 120. This one's only 30.
Yeah, that's our little Pokemon card opening. We're gonna go to Sam's Club just to go get some hot dogs because we kind of want some hot dogs. So yeah. Okay, we're out here having a little lunch. We got ourselves.
What dripped on me?
What dripped on you?
Popcorn.
So we're having a little lunch. We got some slices of pizza, and then I made some cheese corn. But I have a little surprise. So Panita got me a little gift. It's the holiday cup from Starbucks, and inside has a little something.
Wait, hold on, backstory. This guy told me, he goes, can you do me a favor? He goes to Starbucks just to get him this cup.
Yes. So, in this contents of this cup has a baby picture of baby Yam.
Wait, why you gotta show it?
Look at that. Aww. And then we got a little picture of us when we went to called Devil's Lake. I don't know. No, this one.
Oh.
Yeah, this one we went to Devil's Lake. And then it's me, Anita, my boy Randy back there, and then Patty. And over here is my boy Marcos. You can see him hitting the dab. Marcos. I've always said Marcos. It's Marcos. Marcosas. And then she got me a little Polaroid. And then this is me and Panita when we went to the aquarium. Wow. She wrote me a note, but this is my note. You guys can't see. 10,000 likes and I'll release it.
Oh, good luck on that.
10,000 likes and I'll show you guys. But yeah, I just want to show you guys a little bit about what she got me while I work. I'm working as well.
This is our home. So lit.
With me. I need you to be strong.
After the movies, a couple days pass, and finally it's the day of our friendsgiving. And this is basically how our night went down. Cookies! Cookies! So we are making some pumpkin cookies.
Me.
I stirred them in the machine.
We got them.
So she made the dough, and she put it in here as well. But all I did is I turned the button, this button, and I put it on stir. And then I stirred up the cookies. I look like a bozo, see? Oh no, I look okay.
Is this angle okay?
Yeah. Except my hairline, look at it.
Shaky too.
It's going like an arrow.
Hi.
So,
Okay. Too much. This is too much for the vlog.
too much? Oh, sorry, my bad.
It's too much. But Tata picked me up. And where are we going?
I'm gonna go buy some alcohol for the boys and girls.
Yes. We're gonna get drinks. So I came to Target because I needed some socks, right? And Tata left me to go to the Pokemon cards. Sad. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Gotta look up the price of the box.
Seriously? Seriously?
Hey, I gotta collect, okay? Cause I got a big cock.
No, say that.
Got your hands cold. Alright, we're out here getting ready to chef it up. We have our ham. I'm gonna be chefing up the ham right here. Sounds good, doesn't it? And then I'm gonna be making some cheese corn and maybe some ribs. I have ribs in the fridge. Kind of depends what people bring. But baby Panda here, what'd you bring?
I made cookies last night.
Yes, cookies and
And I got stuffed mushroom.
yes, she has it like pre-prepped right there. We're just gonna bake it. But getting ready for everybody to come over. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking. And yeah, we will see you when everybody's here.
You're gonna put a shirt on, right?
No. Alright, I don't know what I'm thinking here, but fuck the lo-fi. Bring out the Nightcore.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to.
Alright, so next up is a little TikTok I made, but I never did anything with it. So I just wanted to introduce everyone that came to the party. So with it coming up here, first off we have my boy Joey. He came in with the wine coolers and the Pink Whitney. Next up we got Paul, came with another bottle. And we got Kathleen coming in with some sake. Aaron with the dessert. Hendrik with the one soju bottle. Noah right here with the mac and cheese. We have Andrew.
Regular dude.
And right here we have Billy with
What are you bringing?
a whole pizza box. It's some tequila.
Oh, they're back.
Andrew and Kathleen came back with some more drinks.
Nobody wanted to buy
Eric just popped in with Jeremy. And right here we have Daniel, Matt, and Jenny. And then Time came in. Tommy came in. Ben came in. Randy came. Gio came. Who else? We got Jaden here. Thomas.
Oh, there we go.
And basically that's the whole crew. I'm pretty sure there was a couple more, but I didn't record them.
You're gonna sit on my lap, right? I'll sit on your lap.
We're taking a group picture.
All the boys in here. What's up, Jaden? Hey, we're taking a group picture. And we got food.
We got JVNA right here. Where my kids?
You like when niggas I'm here. Nigga on top of you. You like when nigga on top of you. What's your hit on? Wait a second. Why you saying that? Everything. Wait a minute. I'll let you have your shit. Wait a minute. Maybe it was this difference. Are you guys ready? Alright, hurry up, take a shot, hurry up. Alright, hurry up.
It was Shadow Fog. I missed it though. Bunch of dudes. What's up?
What's up, cutie?
This is Matt. This is Jeremy. So this is Eric. This is everybody else.
Hey, this is my brother.
There you go. And yeah, this is basically our Friendsgiving. And we just ate a lot of food. That's it.
Fuck the Air Force. Fuck the Navy. Marine Corps all the way.
There you go.
Hey, get back to that. Get back to that. Yeah, hold up. Go downstairs. Yeah, go downstairs if you're gonna do that.
So basically that was our whole Friendsgiving. I wish I recorded more, but I just wanted to live in the moment. A lot of shit went down. It was just a fun, great time. You guys saw a little bit of wrestling there. It's like, it's really no harm. This is what we do. We just wrestle for fun. You know, we guys, come on. But this last clip is just us going to test drive Time's new car. He got a new Acura TLX. It was like, what, 2022 or 2023 or whatever. But yeah, that's this clip. But I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Maybe if get enough comments, I'll do a story time on basically the whole Friendsgiving, because like I have a lot of stories. So just let me know if you want to hear that. But anyways, you guys, peace out. Thank you for watching.